The leadership at SARU's competence is about to be tested in the biggest way. They're trying to find a solution that will accommodate both the Lions and the Kings in Super Rugby in 2014, but there's big problems in doing so. On the end of year tour last year, Yuri Roux shared with me an ambitious plan to accommodate both teams. I always had reservations about whether it was going to work and whether he had the capacity to sell it to the SANZAAR partners. And given the silence on this issue, I can only assume that it failed. The Lions and Kings have rubbish reports of a potential merger, but even if they did go ahead with that plan, the Cats are testament to the stupidity of that idea. It's deeply flawed in so many ways, it would never work. Unless Roux has a great idea about how to solve this problem, the promotion-relegation match will go ahead as scheduled. SARU's problems are only starting to mount now. I can only imagine the drama that will ensue after the promotion-relegation game. My understanding is that the Kings believe they have grounds to take legal action against SARU, and that's going to be another embarrassment for South African rugby. While another season out of Super Rugby will completely destroy the Lions franchise. Yuri Roux is a highly competent leader, and he has the opportunity to really entrench himself as a legend in South African rugby if he finds a solution to this problem. Unfortunately, I don't see it happening. All I see is another mess on the horizon for South African rugby.